Three SUVs sold in dealerships across America right now are about to cost their owners more money in repairs than the actual purchase price. The shocking part? Two of these come from brands that built entire reputations on reliability. What happens next will completely change how anyone shops for SUVs. The problems start with the 2020 Kia Sorento. During test drives, this SUV feels solid and responsive. The issues surface later when owners least expect them. Oil consumption, oil leaks, and overheating are major issues reported by owners as engine problems. Several tell how their cars literally ended according to documented complaints. Kia issued a recall for the 2020 Kia Sorento in September 2022 concerning the tow hitch harness, which contains a circuit board which can catch fire if exposed to moisture. Fire risk recalls represent serious safety concerns that affect daily driving confidence. Delayed gear changes have also been reported by some Kia Sorento owners at around 5,000 miles. Transmission hesitation creates dangerous situations during highway merging when immediate acceleration becomes necessary for safe lane changes. Common Kia Sorento problems include engine failure, faulty doors, burnout headlight bulbs, noise or vibration from the AC compressor, noisy startup caused by a problematic timing chain, bad ignition coils, and bad crankshaft pulley bolts. Multiple system failures indicate widespread quality control issues affecting long-term ownership costs. Now comes a vehicle that shocked the automotive industry by breaking reliability expectations. The 2022 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid shattered Toyota's reputation for bulletproof reliability. For decades, Toyota meant dependable transportation. This specific model year changed that perception overnight. The 2022 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid has been recalled 2 times by NHTSA. Multiple recalls in a single model year indicate serious manufacturing defects that reach consumers before detection. 460,000 Toyota and Lexus vehicles recalled to fix stability control because of software problems affecting the vehicle's stability control system. Electronic stability systems prevent rollovers and maintain vehicle control during emergency maneuvers. When these systems malfunction, basic driving safety becomes compromised. Apple CarPlay will not always come up when phone is plugged in upon starting the car. You have to start the car before plugging in the phone represents infotainment system failures that affect backup cameras, navigation, and emergency communication features integrated into the same electronic systems. Consumer Reports reliability surveys document consistent patterns of electronic malfunctions across multiple system areas. When electronic problems affect safety systems, simple transportation becomes unpredictable and potentially dangerous. The final SUV combines the worst reliability problems into one vehicle package. The 2020 Honda Passport was said to have power and spaciousness for growing transportation needs. Instead, it delivered systematic problems that make ownership expensive and frustrating. Some of the most common issues with the 2020 Honda Passport include electrical system malfunctions, brake problems, and transmission issues. When multiple major systems fail simultaneously, repair costs escalate rapidly beyond normal maintenance expectations. The 2020 Honda Passport has 13 NHTSA complaints for the electrical system at 2,235 miles average. Electrical problems appearing at low mileage indicate manufacturing defects rather than normal wear patterns. A few owners have reported 2020 Honda Passport transmission problems. It sometimes creates a sound when shifting from one gear to the next or hesitates to shift altogether. Transmission hesitation and unusual noises signal internal component, where that leads to complete system failure requiring expensive replacement. The brakes on the car have been reported to be too stiff, according to some owners. Some have approached the dealership with the issue. Brake system problems affect stopping distances and pedal feel, directly impacting driver safety and passenger protection. The 2020 Honda Passport is especially well known for having build quality, electrical system, and engine problems. Multiple system failures indicate systematic manufacturing issues that affect every aspect of vehicle operation and ownership experience. These 3 SUVs represent the worst purchasing decisions available in today's market. The 2020 Kia Sorento brings engine failures and fire risk recalls. The 2022 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid destroys Toyota's reliability reputation with electronic system failures and stability control problems. The 2020 Honda Passport delivers transmission problems, electrical malfunctions, and brake system issues that create dangerous driving conditions and expensive repair bills.